Yeah.
Oh my gosh! There's a big bag!
Wow! I love the bag! It's so cute! Wow, she's so cute!
Oh,
Ooh!
look at her!
She's so
I just love her
adorable!
eyelashes and her eyes and her hair. I just love it!
What else did she come with?
Okay, let me see. You cannot be kidding me!
Are you serious? That's so cute!
Okay, I might need some help on wrapping this phone.
Okay. Give it to Mom.
So guys, while we're gonna open our bags, we are gonna find out what is next in these kind of bags. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, they're so cute. There you go.
Guys, look at
All right,
this
let's see what
phone.
else. It's like makeup, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Show it. Wow, look, guys.
Wait, doesn't it really open?
Yes, it does.
Wait, I guess there's makeup.
Ooh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. You got your own little makeup palette.
Guys, that looks like a broken phone.
That's cute. Woo.
Okay, what do we leave out there so you guys can see that? There's my second one. Whatever, we're not gonna.
The second line bag.
Yeah.
Woo. What's in it? What's in it? What's in it?
Please.
Oh, a cute little bottle. Look, guys. Isn't it cute?
There's like water and glitter and stars in there.
Ooh, I love that. I love the colors. Ooh, what else do we have for her?
I think the last thing, what do you think in the back? No, there's like other things.
Ooh, let's see.
There's a last surprise bag. Glasses!
Woo! Who's that for? Maya! Woo! You look so cute with your glasses. I don't think they fit on her.
Yeah. Let's put
So you
them
got
in.
glasses. What else?
The last one back.
Ooh. What is it? What do you guys think it is? Okay, lift it up. Lift it up. We have to see. We have to see.
Oh my gosh, it can't be.
What is it?
A pacifier.
Oh, it's so cute. And a necklace.
Oh my gosh.
Look.
I need someone to open this.
That's so cute. It's a little
Oh my
bling
gosh,
necklace. The
guys.
pacifier one.
Okay, let's see the rolls. Okay guys, so this is what I got. I got this phone that is makeup.
That's so cute, Maya.
And we got the bottle. So in case her could drink. And we got the glasses that I could share with the baby.
And what
And the
else?
pacifier that I could share with her.
Wow.
so-
And also the bag. I love the bag.
Yes!
I love that. It looks like a boombox.
Yeah, you can put her in there.
Yeah, we can. She's cute.
So basically, this is how you put the glasses on. So you put it like right here,
Mm-hmm.
and then okay, maybe like this way. Okay, perfect.
Like that. And then...
And then the other one, and you guys are gonna see how this works.
Then you put it on her.
Yeah.
Which is so cute. Oh, she looks so cute. More down, more down, more down. We'll get the hang of it.
Yeah.
I love it.
I had so much fun. Guys, by the way, you guys are Mississippi. If you pull it, there's a lipstick that can color change.
Yep, that's so cute.
You see
cute.
my lips color changing?
So cute. I like it a lot.
So there's like pink and blue. Blue is on the bottom, pink is on the top.
That's so nice. I love it.
Me too.
Wow. Oh, that's so cute.
This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give a big thumbs up. If you guys have
Anything to say, comment below. Thank you guys. Bye.